What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this short tutorial I will be showing you how you can get back the expired domains for just $1. So there are not many ways you can get your domains for cheap. If you have domains expired with GoDaddy or any other famous website, they are going to ask you for at least $10 or $20. Sometimes it depends on the how premium the domain is. They might charge you a bomb. So to avoid that, what you can do is you can register this domain, because these domains are already expired. So you can register this outside on a website that I'm going to show you guys, and you can register these domains for the first year for only $1. So this is like some risk management. You are registering the domain which is already expired for 1 year for just $1, and then after that, before they charge you a different amount, a higher amount, you can transfer that domain to your hosting or the next domain register, where you get a good deal. So I hope you understood. So without wasting further time, let's get started. As you can see, we are inside Chrome now. So I want to register the domain which is expired. I'll show you the domain which I want to register. So if you check, you can see that this domain is, I guess, expired. This is expired long back. Yeah, so you can see we're not able to access this website. So just open a new tab and go to this website called Ionis. Just search for Ionis, select the first result, or you can directly go to ionis.com and open the site and find the domain. In my case, I want this domain now, tipswithalam.com, our channel name. Click on check, and if the domain is still available, you will get an option here saying that the domain is available and you can add this to your cart. So this is already added to my cart, and this will try to upsell different domain bundles and the security and your hosting plans. You don't want that. If you want, you can explore more options here, but this video is purely is only for domains, expired domains only. So like I mentioned, you have some offers. It's going to give you some offers. If you want, you can explore. Otherwise, just click on domains only and move ahead. Just move forward, and this will take you to the next page where you have to make the payment. So let's see our final breakdown. Website and free registration, free private registration. Okay, I want to see what is that. This is nothing but your information will be available on which is a public domain. If you don't want that, if you want to, if Ionis you want this website to act as a proxy, you can do that. You can do this to cover that information from the website, and everything will remain, your information will remain anonymous, which is good. And this service is free of charge. If it is free of charge, then why not? Make sure to check on this. And as you can see, it says introductory offer. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, this is only for the first 1 year, and after that, I'm sure they will charge you $20 some more, or maybe $15. You never know. And once you are done with finalizing the offer, you can just click on continue. You can pay by PayPal as well, or you can just click on continue if you want to enter your card details. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.